Hi all. So the app I am talking about, I have personally used it, and I really like their pricing, their service, and their customer support. They collect the samples at your place without any extra charge, and the lab technicians uh, are really qualified, and they take all the precautionary measures while collecting the samples. And post test they provide you free consultation, a MBBS or MD doctor will call you and will discuss the reports and will provide you the prescriptions. So the app I am talking about is MFine app, and I will provide the app link in the description, and or you can search on the Play Store. Now I will show you how you can book a test in the app. So let's go to the mobile screen. Okay, so now I am on my mobile screen. So I have given the app link in the description, or you can go to the Play Store and write MFine. Okay, then open it. I have downloaded it, and you can download it. And after doing this, so the interface of the app will look like this. So to book the lab test, what you need to do, on the left corner, upper left corner, there are three lines. So click on it. Then there is an option, order lab test. Click on it, and after that you click on request callback. So click on request callback. You will get a call within like 5 to 10 minutes, and you can discuss the test with the executive who will call you, and you can know the prices and all, and you can fix a appointment for the lab test. So after collecting the sample, after booking, your profile will look like this. In the profile, after having the test, you will get the reports in this manner. In this manner you will get the reports. You will get the reports and prescriptions, and like this. After having after completing the test, you can chat with a doctor, and you can discuss the report. Even he or she will call you and will discuss the report in detail. So that is for free. And the test sample collection also free. So they won't charge you any any money, any extra amount for the sample collection. So I really liked their service, and their customer support, and pricing is also like affordable. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye.